Hi there, welcome to my profile. You want to learn foreign language and speak them confidently? You are in the right place. Let me make an introduction for you about me, my lessons, and my work. Let's take a look at this introduction.
Hi everyone, here is Sultan, a language tutor and personal coach. But more than that, I like building tools that make learning actually work. I have always believed that with the right planning and discipline, we can turn any goal into reality. Constant growth is my passion, and I love sharing the strategies that have worked for me with others, with my students. Let me show you how my lessons work. Whether you are a beginner or looking to advance your skills, I'm here to help you succeed. We focus on your language goals through real life situations. You will get additional speaking feedback. I will correct your mistakes directly, and so we work together on your speaking skills. And then a personal learning plan with effective strategies from me, full access to my virtual classroom where you can practice with all the materials you will need. I also love working with children. I have extensive experience in teaching them, and Sultan Academy Kids is the perfect, secure place for this. You can track your child's progress directly through our virtual classroom. You can also find my lesson package in my bio.
So, thank you very much for your attention. If you want to get a trial lesson with me, then schedule it directly on my website or just get in touch. See you.